MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, Rain-X, Hum by Verizon, State Farm, and WeatherTech.
Few things on a modern car are as important as its battery, and that's because everything works with electricity on today's cars. That means we have to have a really clean battery all the time. All this grease and dirt and everything laying on top of it, we clean it away using some type of grease-cutting detergent and clear water to rinse it. But the really important thing is where the cables connect to the posts. That's where the electrical energy gets from the battery to the car. They have to be clean and tight at all times, so we have to remove them and clean them. No, you do not use baking soda and just pour it with some water over the connection, because all that does is clean the outside. It doesn't clean the electrical inside. So you have to remove the cables. You use a battery terminal brush or some brush like we have here, and you clean the inside of the cable, the outside of the post. Both have to be shiny metal. Then when you put it back together, I know, again, you've heard, use petroleum jelly. Well, don't, because petroleum jelly has a very low melting point, and the underhood area of a car these days is very hot. This stuff melts, it gets down between the cable and the connection, and you have a poor electrical circuit. All right, what do you do? Well, here on this battery, we've used felt pads. You can buy sprays and gels and so on that go on there specifically for that purpose. They don't melt, they don't create problems. Oh, and while the battery is disconnected, you want to make sure that you don't lose all the memories on the car. Well, if you have a booster pack like this, you can buy this adapter. It plugs into the computer interface under the dash, saves all the memory. Now, another thing, you may have a car that sits for an extended period of time. Now, on the car itself, when it's running, the alternator recharges the battery, keeps it fully charged. You want to do the same thing when the car is not being used. That means you need a battery maintainer, not a charger. Chargers can damage batteries. Maintainers work just like the alternator to keep the battery fully charged for extended periods of time without damaging them. And if you have a question or comment, drop me a line right here at MotorWeek.